My keycard does not work. Excuse me, my keycard is not working.
Oh, I am sorry to hear that. Let me help you. What is your room number?
It is room 312.
Okay, room 312. Can I have your name, please?
Yes, my name is Molly.
Thank you, Molly. One moment, please. I see your reservation here.
Great. So what is the problem?
Sometimes the card gets demagnetized.
Demagnetized? What does that mean?
It means the card loses its information. This can happen if it is near a phone or a magnet.
Oh, I did put it next to my phone in my bag.
That is probably the reason.
I did not know that could happen.
It happens a lot, actually. Do not worry. I can make you a new card right now.
That would be great. Thank you.
Can I see your ID, please?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. Let me check the name. Okay, this matches the reservation.
Good. How long will it take?
Just a minute or two.
No problem. I can wait.
Are you traveling alone or with someone?
I am traveling with my husband, Jack.
Oh, nice. Is he in the room now?
Yes, he is waiting for me.
I understand. He must be wondering why the door will not open.
Yes, I called him, but he did not answer.
Maybe his phone is charging.
That is possible.
Okay, here is your new key card.
Thank you so much.
Wait, before you go, let me test it here.
Oh, good idea.
We have a test machine at the desk. Let me swipe it. That is strange.
What is wrong?
The card is not reading correctly.
Oh no, again?
Do not worry, I will try a different card.
Okay, thank you for checking first.
It is better to check before you go upstairs.
Yes, that saves time.
Let me try this one. Okay, this one works well.
That is a relief.
I am sorry for the trouble.
It is okay, these things happen.
Let me also check your room number again.
Sure, it is 312.
Yes, that is correct. Your room is on the 3rd floor.
How do I get there?
Take the elevator on the right side.
Okay, and then?
Turn left after the elevator. Your room will be the 4th door.
Got it. Thank you.
Also, please keep the card away from your phone this time.
Yes, I will remember.
Maybe use the small pocket in your bag.
Good idea. I will do that.
If it happens again, just come back to the desk.
Okay, thank you for your help.
You are welcome. Is there anything else you need?
Actually, yes, I have a question about breakfast.
Sure, what would you like to know?
What time does breakfast start?
Breakfast starts at 7 in the morning.
And what time does it end?
It ends at 10:30.
Where is the breakfast room?
It is on the 2nd floor next to the lobby.
Is it included in the room price?
Yes, it is included for your room type.
That is good to know.
Do you have any food allergies?
No, I do not have any allergies.
Great, then you can enjoy everything on the menu.
Sounds good. What about coffee?
We have coffee, tea, and juice every morning.
Perfect. I love coffee in the morning.
Many guests say the same thing.
One more question, please.
Of course, go ahead.
Is there Wi-Fi in the room?
Yes, Wi-Fi is free for all guests.
What is the password?
The password is written on the card in your room.
Oh, okay. I will check when I get there.
If it does not work, call the front desk.
Thank you. I will.
Anything else I can help with?
No, I think that is everything.
Great. Enjoy your stay, Molly.
Thank you, Jack. You have been very helpful.
It is my pleasure. Have a nice evening.
Thank you, you too. Actually, wait, one more thing.
Yes, what is it?
Can I get a wake-up call tomorrow?
Sure. What time would you like?
7:30 in the morning, please?
Okay, 7:30, room 312.
Yes, that is correct.
I will write that down now. Is that all for tonight?
Yes, that is all. Thank you again.
You are welcome. Good night.
Good night. Excuse me, sorry to bother you again.
No problem at all. What happened?
The new card did not work at my door either.
That is unusual. Let me check.
I tried 3 times, but the light stayed red.
Did you enter through the main door correctly?
Yes, I used the door near the elevator.
That door sometimes has a different lock.
Oh, I did not know that.
Some rooms use an older lock system.
So, what should I do now?
Let me come with you and check the door myself.
That would be very kind. Thank you.
No problem. It is part of my job. Let us go to the 3rd floor together.
Okay, let's go.
Here we are. Let me try the card. The light is still red.
See, it is not just me.
You are right. The lock might be broken. Let me call maintenance to check this door.
Oh, that could take a long time.
Do not worry. I have a solution. I can move you to a different room instead.
Really? That would save time.
Yes, room 405 is available and ready.
Is it similar to this room?
Yes, same size and same view.
That sounds perfect.
Let me make a new key card for room 405.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Here is your new card. Let's test it now. The light is green. It works.
Finally, thank you so much, Jack.
You are welcome. I am glad it is fixed.
This was quite an adventure.
Yes, but everything worked out well.
My husband will be happy to hear the door works now.
I am sure he will be relieved too.
Thank you again for all your help tonight.
It was my pleasure. Enjoy your stay.
I will. Good night, Jack.
Good night, Mali. Sleep well.